What's up, everybody? I'm going to show you how to import the Harley Davidson blank from my website commoncarve.com and customize it in easel to put any name or any text you want into it. So first thing you're going to do is import your SVG, and you're going to find the file you downloaded from my website, Harley Davidson blank. You're going to import that. It's going to look like a small little file right here. Make sure you just have the 8th bit selected for now. Now stretch it out to a decent size. This is going to be our border, this black shape right here. So you're going to switch that to cut on shape path. And we'll move that out of the way for now. This one right here, you're going to change to clear out a pocket in this little drop down right here. And we're going to adjust the depth cut to, let's see, like an 1/8 of an inch. That's cool. That'll work. You can always go a little shallower if you want to cut down on your cutting time. From here, you're going to go ahead and click the text. You're going to click a font. I like Homestead. Let's see here. We'll add, let's say, Jack's Garage. This little Harley blank will make a cool garage sign. So I think anyways, this will be a pretty cool present or something like that. So you got your Jack's Garage in there. Now if you want to make this quick and keep the same font, you can do Control Copy or Control C, Control V, and that'll duplicate that same size font. You can switch this to, say, I don't know, established 1976. Let's put that right in there. Shrink it down a little bit. And let's do Control C, Control V again. That'll duplicate it. Let's change this to, I don't know, maybe he likes motorcycles. We'll just put Moto. Put that in the top right there. Like so. Now you got this sign that's fully customizable. You drag this outline over it and you make sure the depth is all the way down to the thickness of your material. That'll cut it out. You have a couple little tabs right there. So there's your sign. It's fully customizable. You can get the blank of the Harley blank at commoncarve.com. It's right here. There's a video underneath in the description as well where you can watch that, but this one is a little bit better, so I'm going to add this to the description as well. Anyways, from here you can adjust your cut settings if you want to go a little faster than what's recommended. Don't go too fast because you'll break a bit and you don't want to do that. So anyways, check out my website, download this file, and look at all the other files. I have a bunch of free ones too if you want to test them out. Thank you.